Hey there, Quail Mama, on the 9th of October out here in the aviary. Looks like we still got plenty of aggression against the smaller chicks. So I'm out here thinking I'm going to grab the two aggressors, which are the younger females, and get them into the hutch with the boys. And the boys are over there in the hutch. And maybe after some time, once the little ones are more established in here, we'll add those older chicks back and see if it doesn't change the dynamic for the better. Anyway, I'm pretty sure, well, that kind of looks like Dottie back there. So I'm waiting to see who the aggressors are here. A few minutes before I gotta go back. I think that's them right there. Whoops, uh-oh, shakies. Wait, I got my handy dandy net, my fish net, and I got my cage, and I'm gonna get them moved. Thanks everybody for watching. Sure appreciate you all. Thanks for the likes, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the comments and the questions. Sure appreciate it. Hope y'all are having a great day. Bye for now.